What's going on, everybody? So it's another beautiful day. I mean, look at it. See, I washed the BMW today. It's so clean. Need to cut the grass. It's not terrible, but you know, hey, it'll get done. But hey, this is what I'm working on today. As you can see, I got the motor out again. I say again. But today I'm going to sit here and I'm going to weld up all of this here. Hold on, let me get you a better shot here. So I'm going to be welding up this right here, and I'm going to try to put everything up inside so that I'm not taking up any of this outside space. I'm not going to just like put it up against it and weld it. I'm going to try to actually go up inside here and weld so that I'm not losing any space. But what I have to do right now is I have to clean up all the metal, top and bottom, all that right there too. I have to clean up all of that so that I have a good place to weld. And I'm going to take some paper and I'm going to kind of do some like kind of like that etching where you put the paper up against something, then take the pencil and go across it. I'm gonna do that to kind of get the shape that I want, because it's got some weird shapes. And I got this metal right here. This is the exact same thickness that I cut out. So I'm gonna put that back in there, which will make it strong again so that it will not buckle and twist under the power. But yeah, that is the plan. I'm going to go ahead, and the GoPro doesn't like welding too much, so I'm not going to show any of that, but I'll show you me cutting the pieces and everything like that. I mean, you've seen people weld, you don't need to see it again, and you've seen how bad I weld. You definitely don't need to see that again. But I have gotten a better welder, so I'm hoping that it changes some stuff and makes things better. Yeah, I'm gonna get up in here and start taking care of this. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so I hope this is a good enough view for you. I'm gonna put you in a time lapse and let you watch me just grind all this crap up, and yeah, I'll come back and yeah. All right, so what I plan to do is I plan on actually taking care of, I'm gonna put the piece in this right here, and then I'll put this piece in right here. So first off, what I really just need to do is, yes, I could measure it, but this will make a precise size. I say that, I gotta pull it tight here. Well, precise enough. It'll have to be adjusted, but then we'll go down here and finish up that down there. Will this be exact? No, of course not. This is just to kind of give me a general idea. We're going to go based on the hard lines that are available to us, which I think I'm going to hammer that down. So I'm going to straighten out that little line right there, and I'm going to beat that little hump down, so that I'll just go straight across from right there to right there, and hopefully that's fine. So basically, as you can see here, I have this. So this is my top right here, so I'll go ahead and right, and oh, so that way I know. Okay, so as you can see, I have my marking here. Ignore this other line over here, but this is the exact size that I need with the coming up. So that's the good reason why I did the template. It's because I had these extra little spots that came up like that right there. I want them to be precise, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the grinder out and a cutoff wheel, and I'm just gonna cut off each one of these pieces, and I'll let you watch me. I'm probably gonna trim it and then trim it down. It takes a little bit of work to get that trimmed down where you want it, but you get to watch it. All right, here we go. Got her all nice and cut out. She's a little warm still, but nothing major. So I need to kind of bend her a little bit though, because she's still a little... Yeah, that looks good right there. What you think? Close enough, huh? It looks like about the same piece. We'll see. So this was the template. Looks like, hold on. Nope, it was the other way. Yeah, I mean, it's close. It's a little off here, and that looks good. I might need to take a little off right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a little off right there and a little off right here, just so that, but I'm gonna test fit it real quick to see what it does. Get this, ugh. All right, let's go check it out. All right, well, let's see if this is the right way. Oh, yeah. Check that out. That's gonna look good, right? And then I'll put the two side pieces on after that. I might go ahead and, because I'm gonna probably sand more of this down right here so I don't have to deal with that later. All right, that looks good. All right, this is it. So this will go up like this, and yeah, I think. Let me go double check that. All right, guys, this is gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and clamp this up, get some tack welds on it, and show you. I'm just gonna tack it up there and see how it fits, and we'll come back to you. All right, guys, so check it out. I got the top side welded so far, and if anybody knows my welds, that's actually not too bad for me. So I still got a weld down there, but I also have to form that a little bit down there, a little better. So I'm gonna get down there and beat that into place and then weld that up. And then I'm gonna cap off these ends right here. And yay, it'll be done. Ooh, it looks like I burnt up my screen a little bit more. Well, you can't tell, but the all the little sparks from the grinder, it kind of put these little pits and whatnot in the screen. I'm gonna have to replace that little piece there. So GoPro, if you're watching this, can you send me some filters? You probably not, but all right then, hold on, let me finish welding this thing up, and yeah, I'll come back. Okay guys, I'll say guys, hey everybody. So we're just finishing up over here, and as you can see, we got Michael actually is down in there doing the welding right now. He's a far better welder than I am. I mean, I got it done, but he's way better than I am. So, and I'll show you what we've gotten done here momentarily. Because we got it completely capped in now. He's probably touching up some of my bottom ones. I'm not very good at welding above my head.
No, there was just a little hole back here that I gotta weld up two sides of it to get it.
Oh yeah, yeah. I tried to get rid of that hole. Hey B, why don't you shut up? What's up, B? Alright guys, so check it out.
Sorry, I just threw my helmet away.
Nope, no you didn't. So as you can see, we have all of that welded there. All this, and hang on, I gotta go on the other side. And we got that side welded in as well. So it's 100% welded. And I just want to go ahead and say that today the welding was done with. Hold on. Yeah. So today the welding was done with this here old Century. Yeah, I mean, this is a gas/gasless 95 amp, I do believe, and she did a good job. I actually picked her up from a buddy of mine who had it sitting out in the rain, and yeah, he thought it was a piece of junk. And
we love Century welders.
Yeah, this is what my second. And he had a Century welder that he sold to me. That y'all saw, and yeah, I've had a few Centuries. Yeah. But yeah, she's good to go now. I'm gonna let it all just kind of sit. I'm not gonna put the motor back in today. I'll probably put it back in tomorrow. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and gonna see you guys later. Hey, if you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe. As you know, it helps us out greatly. So bye.